Dealing with urine stains on a mattress can be challenging, but here are some steps you can follow to try and remove the smell and stain. 1. Act quickly. The sooner you can address the stain, the better your chances of removing it completely. 2. Blot the area. Use paper towels or a clean, absorbent cloth to blot as much of the urine as possible. Press down firmly, but avoid rubbing, as rubbing can spread the stain. 3. Create a cleaning solution. Mix a solution of equal parts water and white vinegar. Alternatively, you can use a mixture of water and mild dish soap. 4. Before applying the cleaning solution to the stained area, test it in a small, inconspicuous spot on the mattress to ensure it doesn't cause any damage. 5. Using a clean cloth or sponge, apply the cleaning solution to the stained area. Blot, don't rub, to avoid spreading the stain. 6. Once the area is dry, sprinkle baking soda over the affected area. Baking soda helps neutralize odors. Leave it on for several hours or overnight. 7. Vacuum the mattress thoroughly to remove the baking soda. 8. Use an enzyme cleaner. Enzyme cleaners are effective in breaking down organic stains, including urine. Follow the product instructions and apply it to the stained area. 9. If possible, place the mattress in direct sunlight to help eliminate odors. Fresh air can also aid in the process. 10. Consider using a waterproof mattress protector to prevent future accidents from penetrating the mattress. Note: it's essential to follow the care instructions for your mattress and any cleaning products you use. Also, be cautious not to oversaturate the mattress, as excessive moisture can lead to mold and mildew growth. If the stain persists, or if you have concerns about the mattress's integrity, it may be advisable to consult with a professional cleaner for guidance. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.